All right, everyone. So how you doing today? What we're going to be doing, as you can see from the title, is weighing the front runners, and we're also going to be weighing the rear Weld Wheels, part of my drag pack, and we're going to see exactly how much weight difference I'm hopefully saving over the stock wheels. So for this, we're only going to need to measure the weight of one of these stock wheels because they're the same both front and back. But we will weigh one front skinny and then one of the rears. So go ahead. I got my little scale here, just household scale. Got a little towel on it to help protect it. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and throw these skinnies on. And then at the end, what we're going to do, I'll do the percentage on how much weight I'm actually saving overall percentage-wise, so you guys will get a better idea. And we'll see exactly what, it's helped me do in order to set the, maybe potentially set the record coming up. You guys know that story by now. So, yeah, let's get to it. All right, so as you can see, we have the scale zeroed out here. And then let's go ahead and grab this wheel. Slide it on. I'm gonna try and not put any pressure on it. 41.8. All right, so 41.8 pounds on the front. Now swap over and do the back. All right, so the rears, let me see if we can, 56 pounds. All right, so 41.8, so we'll just call it 42 for the front, 56 for the rear. So now I'll jack this up. I'm just going to take one wheel off, like I said, and then we'll weigh that one. All right, so actually what I wanted to do, I actually have about 30 pounds of air in the tires. Let's go ahead and show you here. So go ahead and take this off. I want to see if taking some of the air pressure out actually decreases the weight. I'm going to put it at the PSI that I raised at, which is about 17. But I had these pumped up to 30 when I drove it on the street the other day. But let's see what it says. Yep, 30. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna take about 13 pounds of air out down to 17. I'm gonna reweigh it. So it was at 56. So we'll see if it actually loses any weight. I'm assuming it will, but see if it makes any big difference or not. All right, so as you see, we're down to 17 pounds now, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw it back on the scale. So as you see there, 55.6. So not much, but even air has to weigh something. So we took out 13 pounds of air, lost about half a pound. So 55.6 is the number we're gonna go with when we're doing the calculations later compared to the stock wheels. Now let's jump into those. All right, so got the stock wheel off, and we're gonna put on the scale. All right, what are we at here? 57.4. It's not as heavy as I thought they'd be. So I'm gonna write that down. I'm gonna put this wheel back on, and then we'll do the math. So let's get to it. All right, everyone. So we're gonna be doing some math. So our stock wheel weight was 57.4. So we'll start with the fronts. So the fronts were 41.8 over 57.4. So 72%, almost 73%. So we're saving, what's that, 30 or 28%, 27% weight. So not too bad there. And then let's do these. So the rears. So the rears were 55.6. So 55.6 divided by 57.4, only like a 2 pounds weight saving there, but so say 3%, 3.2% savings. So as you see, the rears are basically the same weight. That's 2 pounds difference. And then from the front skinnies, I'm saving, what's that, 50 or 42 to 57. So 15 pounds a piece saved on the front tire. So it's 30 pounds of rotational mass saved, on top of less rolling resistance because the wheels are skinnier. So everybody says that skinnies are about 1/10 of a second so on the track, and that's where you get it there. 30 pounds weight savings plus the less rolling resistance. So a short video for you guys today. If you haven't, please go ahead and like this channel and subscribe. And if you have any other ideas for any other videos coming up, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Take care and have a great day.